Do you get it? Oh, yes, right. Do you need help?
You need help, buddy?
What did I get?
Those markers?
Yep.
Whoa.
Right, remember you have a diaper on. Honey, if you need to pee, you can pee in your diaper. Hey, Connor, we might have to take a potty break before your stocking, okay? Because I think Ryan has to pee. Ryan, you have to go potty?
It's a safe Spider-Man. I want to take my stuff.
All right, we're going to take a quick break for Ryan to go potty. I think he's going to come. Please wait 1 minute. Let's see, Connor, do you have another present? Ryan, let's go potty real quick, okay?
No.
Hey, Connor, can you open this right here?
What?
Ryan, do you have to go potty?
What? No.
Okay. This.
What I'm looking at?
That's from Aunt Mary.
For me? It's just sticks. No.
Do you need help with the bow?
I just don't know what's wrong there.
Can you do it? Here you go.
What?
Undo this. There you go. Come on out. Let's see what's in here.
What is that? Sticks?
No, I think there's other stuff in there.
Huh?
I'll give you a hint.
What are these?
It's to build a snowman when it snows.
Yeah, when we play outside, we can use that to build a snowman.
And that a carrot nose?
Hey, he needs a carrot nose, right? It's for a family, a whole snowman family.
Ryan, what's that?
What is the wrapper? Now can I go open this one? It's another Spider-Man. It's another one.
Whoa! It's heavy. 2 hands.
I want to see what's wrong with it. What's on it?
Brian, you looking for Yo Gabba Gabba?
Yeah, it's right there, buddy.
Brian,
What?
I have one
I got
really
this
heavy
Spider-Man
stocking
over
for you. There's stuff in there for you, okay?
Look what I got in here.
Look at that.
Yeah. That's for me.
Piece of mail.
Is that what you asked for Santa?
Noah.
Santa brought you underwear.
No, you don't bring stinky underwear. Hey, look, Daddy. Santa bring me a ring pop.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
That's so silly. He brought me a lot of candy and blow. A starburst of snow. And Christmas books.
Yeah, but some
Santa
candy in
never
there.
brings me books. I go. Look, you got crayons, and I got Ninja Turtle crayons. No. Hey, what are you doing here? I'm in ornament. Mommy, why did Santa give us an ornament?
There's M&Ms in there.
What? I said it, but as a hanger.
There's something else in there where I reach all the way down. Both of you have something at the very bottom. Besides a lot of candy. Connor's getting his.
What is that?
A new Batman sweater. Yeah.
Do you need help?
Sticks. Maybe it's
Do you
sticky
need
and
help,
bubble
Ryan?
gum.
How about I start
Here, you
it
hold
for you
that.
and then you can take it out.
Look, it's Batman pajamas.
Daddy, Mommy, I got
Here,
Batman.
look at this, Ryan. Look at this,
Mommy,
Ryan.
I got
Hold it.
Batman pajamas.
No way!
I want to read. I got more.
Look at
What's
that,
that,
Ryan.
Ryan?
Look
What
what
is
I got. Candy.
Whoa. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Yo Gabba Gabba sweater.
Jammies?
That looks like jammies. You can wear that tonight to bed.
Yo Gabba Gabba one. What are they? Something.
The rest is probably candy that Santa left you. You got cards from Grandma. I don't know if they sing or anything.